Welcome back to Good Things Utah. Nisha asked if I was getting excited about Christmas. This is probably the only thing that gets me a little bit excited about Christmas. It's my new little Christmas mask.
Yay!
Blankets by Brian is here, and this is one of my favorite ones. This is my favorite.
Well, I'm wearing
new
my
little Christmas mask.
my election
design.
day mask.
I know. So you
So
have
we're
the
voting.
Yeah, we're voting.
We
We're
voted.
voting.
We're patriotic.
We're patriotic. I
And now it
really
comes
love
off.
that one. But that's an all year round. Like if you want to just
Yeah.
love America.
It was popular during the July month.
Oh, it was because of 4th of July.
Yeah.
But you have several like patriotic, like I
Yeah.
love this one. This one was really popular.
I like to call that one the American superhero, so it's for boys and
Oh,
girls.
yeah. It's so Captain America,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Well, also for girls, not just Captain
Well,
America.
Captainess America?
Yeah.
Wonder Woman?
Yeah, Wonder Woman. There
Wonder
you go.
Woman? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And then this one's really fun too.
The 50 states.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what that is. It's 50 states.
All 50 states are listed on that.
That
dark
one's
one.
really cool. I
Yeah,
like that.
it's
And then
kinda
you have a
subtle.
couple over there, just like blue.
Yeah, this is still from my fall collection, the autumn and fall collection. It's the favorite, the fall formal.
The fall formal.
Yeah.
I wear that one to spin, and I get a lot of compliments on fall formal.
Yeah, it's subtle, it's nice.
It's a really good one.
Yeah, and then this is one of my new colors from the Shabby Chic collection.
I
The
try to
blue
get like all excited about Christmas, but we do have to talk about fall. Okay, so some of the ones over here are some of the fall
we've got-
colors, right?
So we've got the
Okay,
solid
wait, I have to I gotta get
Yeah, get up
excited
there.
about a couple of these that are my favorite.
The
okay.
solid colors
Oh,
are on
these
top,
are the solid.
and then
Okay,
the
so
sport
I really
ones.
love the black because it
Goes
matches
with everything.
my soul.
And your
You said
soul.
this one really goes. What's that one? Smoky Taupe.
Smoky taupe.
That's one of his best sellers, and I love Smoky Taupe.
It's not quite brown, it's not quite gray.
That's
It's in the
really
middle.
good. So look at all the fun, great colors, and then you also have sports.
Yeah, and I just got the Salt Lake Bees. That's super exciting.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Because you're so into sports, Brian.
I am. I am 1 inch away from riding in that golf cart with you and getting a basket or a hole-in-one or whatever that is.
You're so supportive. Okay, so here's a couple of my other favorites. You know what? This one was on Dina Marie, and I was like, if you don't give
Yeah.
me that one immediately,
She
I'm gonna
stole
freak
the
out.
show with that
This
color.
one is
Yeah.
so. What's this one
The
called?
Wild Cherry Slushy.
Wild Cherry Slushy. I love it. Okay, this one I have, and I'm not kidding. People try to rip it off me.
It's so
What's
pretty.
this one?
The Midnight Garden.
Midnight Garden.
Yeah.
This one's really awesome too. I love the camel. Nisha loves Paris.
The Paris one has been popular
really
with
a
boys and
great
girls
one.
because it's one of the more subtle designs.
So these are some great fall ones in here. Okay, so now we have to go
Let's
to Christmas.
get into the
Let's
most
get into
exciting
Christmas.
part,
Okay.
Christmas.
All right, well, first of all, I want to say how all-inclusive you are.
Yeah.
And if you're Jewish, he's got you, right?
The sparkly
I'm gonna
Hanukkah,
eat
I
I'm
love
just
it.
going to put it on and eat a latke
Yeah.
right now. So happy
And
Hanukkah.
spin the dreidel, I love
Spin
it.
a dreidel. There we go.
Yeah.
I have some Jewish friends that I could give some to. All right, where are my favorites? All right, I love the little snowflakes. These
So we've
truly,
got
I love these guys.
some gold metallic stuff here. I promise you, it does
fancy.
not show up on camera or TV.
It's
But it is a
beautiful.
very subtle metallic print on there. And I've also got 3 more colors coming in this same line.
I love that you are getting all the holiday colors
Yes.
in. These are really fun. My mom had to have that one.
And I like the black and white one.
I like the black and white
Yeah,
one too.
that's so modern.
But
I love
we're
it.
so Christmas wrapping
Yeah.
with
I
this
love it.
guy. Okay, so
Here's the Christmas
That's the
formal.
Christmas
That's
formal.
the fall version, or the
that's
Christmas,
the Christmas
version of the fall
Okay,
formal.
the twinkling, the little Christmas lights. Why do I think that one's so adorable?
Yep, Saray has that one. She loves it.
Saray has that one. And then the little Christmas trees too.
Yeah, that's called a modern Christmas tree display. And then, of course, again, I like to go. I know this one isn't super subtle up here, but I just love.
Okay, wait, what's this
The-
one's name?
That one's a really dumb name. It's like Christmas lights on gold metallic string.
Dumb names, amazing masks. Blanket
Yeah.
by Brian. Okay, 4 masks, get the 5th one free,
Yeah.
plus a bonus discount, election deal for 3 days only.
Huge discounts right now. There's like 50, 60% off on my masks, especially the election stuff. And I really just want to get people in masks.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
get
we
people in
need
masks.
masks.
What you can
Cases
wash
are on the
them,
rise.
you lie them out, and
Yeah.
they turn out beautifully.
Yeah.
Blanketsbybrian.com. You're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, you're everywhere.
I'm even on TikTok now.
You're on TikTok. Whoa. I love you, Brian.
Yeah, crazy.
Thank you. Thanks for coming
You're
on the show.
welcome.
And I
Thank
love all your
you.
masks are the best. All right. When we come back, items famous chef says that you have to have in your kitchen.